Building stone. Stone is a mixture of two or more ingredient materials. Stone driven from rocks. Rocks quarrying dressing. Classification. Geological classification according to mode of origin. Physical classification according to physical properties. Chemical classification according to chemical minerals. Geological. Igneous, sedimentary, metamorphic. Igneous rock. Plutonic, hypabasal, volcanic. Plutonic, granite. Hypabasal, dolerite, volcanic basalt. Physical, stratified, sedimentary rock. Unstratified, igneous rock. Foliated, metamorphic rock. Chemical, argillaceous, siliceous and calcareous. Geological classification, igneous rock. टेम्परेचर लो, एटमॉस्फेरिक प्रेशर लो, वेट प्रेशर लो, ग्राउंड लेवल के ऊपर, ग्राउंड लेवल के नीचे, टेम्परेचर हाई 32 डिग्री, 32 इनवर्सली 1 डिग्री सेल्सियस, एटमॉस्फेरिक प्रेशर नहीं रहता है, वेट प्रेशर हाई, अर्थ सिलिकेट मेल्ट, द मैग्मा, इग्नियस और प्राइमरी रॉक, अनस्टेटिफाइड रॉक, सॉलिडिफिकेशन कूल स्टेबल डिक्रीज टेम्परेचर, लिक्विड अनस्टेबल मूवेबल हाई टेम्परेचर बाय नेचर, ज्वालामुखी, एक्सावेशन, एक्सट्रूसिव इग्नियस रॉक, इंट्रूसिव इग्नियस रॉक, एक्सट्रूसिव इग्नियस रॉक, वोल्केनिक इग्नियस रॉक. एग्जांपल, ट्रैप एंड बेसाल्ट, स्ट्रक्चर फाइन ग्रेडेड नॉन क्रिस्टल, इंट्रूसिव इग्नियस रॉक, हाइपाबेसल इग्नियस रॉक, प्लूटोनिक इग्नियस रॉक, सेलो डेप्थ में हाइपाबेसल, डीप डेप्थ में प्लूटोनिक रॉक, हाइपाबेसल, डोलोमाइट, स्ट्रक्चर फाइन ग्रेडेड क्रिस्टल, प्लूटोनिक इग्नियस रॉक, ग्रेनाइट, फर्स्ट बिल्डिंग स्टोन, स्ट्रक्चर कोर्स ग्रेडेड क्रिस्टल, sedimentary rock, secondary rock, stratified rock. Its formation by decomposition of pore existing rock due to the weathering effect like flow, water, glacier, wind, etc. It is also known as aqua rock, stratified rock. Example, sandstone, masonry and flooring, limestone, manufacturing of cement, chalkstone, manufacturing of fat lime, conker stone, manufacturing of hydraulic lime, gravel, coarse aggregate. Sailstone, covering purpose, lignite, masonry purpose, dolorite, masonry purpose, laterite, decomposed laterite is known as single coarse sand, metamorphic rock. It's formed by rich earth react each other, igneous, sedimentary and earth silicate due to high temperature and pressure. Sedimentary rock, base rock, metamorphic rock, sand, quartz, quartzite, limestone, marble, shale, slate, granite, gneiss. Physical classification, stratified rock, if layer of rock clear visible by eyesight, example all sedimentary rocks. Unstratified rocks, if layer of rocks not clear visible by eyesight, example all igneous rock. Foliated rocks, if stone easy convert in thin sheet, example all metamorphic rocks. Lime. Chemical classification, argillaceous rock, main mineral clay and alumina, examples slate or laterite. Calcareous rock, main material lime and CaCO3, limestone, marble, chalkstone, conker stone, impurities, impure sandstone. Siliceous rock, main minerals silica and sand, example sandstone, granite, trap, basalt, etc. Quartz, quartzite. Minerals in rock, igneous rock, sedimentary rocks, quartz, silicate, mica, feldspar, serpentine, selenite, manganese, gypsum. Mostly rocks formed by two and more minerals called polymineralic rock. Some rocks formed by single minerals called monomineralic rocks. Gypsum, quartz, quartz, magnesite. Properties of building stone. Water absorption capacity W2 minus W1 by W1 into 100. 0% not possible. 0.6% minimum water absorption capacity of paste stone. 5% maximum water absorption capacity of good stone building stone. 10% maximum water absorption capacity of building stone. 0.6 to 10% building stone. 0.6 to 10%. 0.6 to 5% good building stone. Stone maximum water absorption capacity: granite 1%, slate 1%, trap and basalt 1%, gneiss 1%, sandstone 10%, limestone 10%, marble 1%, quartz 3%. Fire resistant silica increase, fire resistant increase, CaCO3 increase, fire resistant decrease. Siliceous rock, argillaceous rock, calcareous rock. Highest silica stone, sandstone. Specific gravity density of stone by 1000. 0 not possible. 2.5 minimum specific gravity of building stone. 2.7 minimum specific gravity of good building stone. Maximum specific gravity of building stone. 3 stone specific gravity. Granite 2.75, slate 2.7 to 2.8, weapon basalt 3, guineas 2.9, sandstone 2.3 to 2.8, limestone 2.2 to 2.7, marble 2.64. Max quartiles. Compressive strength sample 40 into 40 into 40 mm. 0 mega MPa not possible. 50 MPa minimum compressive strength of building stone. 100 MPa minimum compressive strength of good building stone. 200 MPa maximum compressive strength of building stone. Stone compressive strength. Granite 70 to 130 MPa, slate 150 to 185 MPa, trap and basalt 210 to 380 MPa. Guineas is 150 to 250 MPa. Highest compressive strength in natural rock. Sandstone 64 MPa, limestone 54 MPa, marble 150 to 180 MPa. Acid test. Object chemical and weather resistance. Sample stone sample with sharp corner. Time 24 hours. Temperature 105 degrees Celsius to 110 degrees Celsius. Solution: water 95%, HCl 5%, or water 99%, H2SO4 1%. Result: if corner is sharp, then chemical and water resistance are high. Smith test. Weight test. Object soluble minerals determination. Weather resistance. Dock and harbor purpose quality test. Sample stone in cone shape. Clear water. Temperature 200 degrees Celsius to temperature. Time 24 hours. Remain clear water. No only soluble minerals. Zero weight loss. Usable for dock and harbor purpose. High weather resistance. If present turbidity in water, sample fail. Hardness. Hardness is a surface phenomena. Hardness is anti-scratching power of surface. Surface hardness measuring in hardness number on Mohs scale. Hardness coefficient. Hardness. Example stone. Remark. Hardness 1. Chalk stone, talc stone. Easy scratch by nail. 2. Gypsum. Hardly scratch by nail. 3. Marble. Silicite. Not scratch by nail but easy scratch by knife. 7. Quartz. Hardly scratch by knife. 10. Diamond. Hardest rock in nature. No scratch in only any condition. Hardness of coarse aggregate or stone aggregate is measured in hardness coefficient by following test. Los Angeles abrasion test. Dory test. Los Angeles abrasion test. Object determine abrasion value of stone aggregate. Abrasion value increase, abrasion resistance decrease, hardness decrease. Sample coarse aggregate 10 to 12.5 mm, 5 kg weight or 10 kg weight. Upper dia 12.5 mm, sieve का 10 to 12.5 height mm में. Lower dia 10 mm sieve. Apparatus Los Angeles machine. Length 500 mm, dia 700 mm, steel ball dia 48 mm, weight 392 gram to 445 gram. Number of ball 5 kg का ball 6 7 8, 10 kg का ball 9 10 11 m. Rotation 30 to 33 rpm. 5 kg 500 plus round 15 to 15 to 17 minute. 10 kg 1000 plus round 30 to 32 minute. After rounding aggregate sieve by 1.7 mm standard sieve and weight of passing aggregate W2. Aggregate abrasion value W2 by W1 into 100. W2 increase abrasion value increase. 1 by abrasion quality decrease. Aggregate abrasion value less than equal to 45%. Base course. Dory test. Object determine hardness coefficient. Tear and wear of stone aggregate. Failure of stone under combined effect of impact and abrasion called tear and wear. Tear and wear resistance of aggregate measured by attrition test. Tear and wear attrition test first option. Dory test second option. Hardness Dory test. Los Angeles abrasion test. Abrasion Los Angeles abrasion test. Sample stone piece. Dia 25 mm, length 25 mm, W1. Apparatus method Dory machine. Revolution 28 rpm, round 1000 plus round. Time 1000 by 28 minute. Revolution 12.5 MPa weight. UTM universal testing machine. After rounding check weight of aggregate W2, loss of weight W1 minus W2 gram. Hardness coefficient 20 minus loss of weight in gram by 3. Result: hardness coefficient less than 14 not used for road construction, soft stone. Hardness coefficient 14 to 17 not used for road construction, moderate hard stone. Hardness coefficient 14 to 20 used for road construction, hard stone. Impact test to find toughness value, sample 10 to 12.5 mm coarse aggregate. Number of blows 15 times. Weight of hammer 15.5 to 14.5 kg, 14 kg. 38 centimeter fall, free fall. Sample aggregate. After 15 times impact, load aggregate is sieved by standard sieve 2.36 mm and weight the pass aggregate W2. Abrasion impact value W2 by W1 into 100. Result for base course, abrasion impact value less than 45%. For wearing course, impact test is impact value is less than equal to 30%. bitumen के लिए abrasion impact less than equal to 35%. Natural bed of stone in the metamorphic rock no have any particular natural bed of a stone. In the igneous rock very difficult to determine natural bed of stone. Sedimentary rock formed layer by layer in which layer formation are standard non natural bed of stone. Perpendicular 90 degree. Plane of stratification or plane of clear split plane. Lower load is applied parallel to the natural bed of stone. Capacity of stone is highest in load applied perpendicular to the natural bed of stone. In the each masonry load is applied radial to the natural bed of stone. In the cornice coarse load is applied parallel to the natural bed of stone. Quarrying of stone. Fresh cut stone contain some moisture content that's known quarry shape. Due to quarry shape, nature of stone is soft. Quarry shape seasoning remove naturally in 6 to 12 months. Due to remove quarry shape, stone become hard and brittle. So rough dressing of stone done in quarry shape period. Rough dressing of stone done by spelling hammer. Spelling hammer. Method of quarrying. Digging process is adopted for soft stone of some extra moisture loaded on target rock. Heating process is adopted for trap and basalt. Wedge process is adopted for stratified rock like sandstone, limestone, etc. Blasting process is adapted for large scale production. It's most suitable for metamorphic. Blasting material. Detonator, small scale production. Dynamite, large scale production. Tunnel blasting, cost of dynamite 2 times of detonator but it's 10 times effective. Blasting materials. Blasting powder, gunpowder, gunmetal. Large scale production. Liquid oxygen. Blasting tool. Priming needle, make blasting hole. Scraping spoon, remove dust. Dipper, increase dia and depth of blasting tool 10 cm to 15 cm. Detonator's tube, fill the blasting material in hole. Jumper tool, quarrying of stone 6 meter into 2.5 meter. Brass, hard rock, soft rock. Stone masonry, throw out stone, good building stone, maximum height 1.5 meter. Type of stone masonry. Rubble stone masonry, no dressing of stone, use soft hard stone. Ashlar stone masonry, proper traditional dressing of stone. Task work for stone dressing 0.7 meter cube per mason per day. Mostly used soft stone. All type of wall. Task work 0.4 meter cube per mason per day. Use for each masonry. Task work 0.4 meter cube per mason per day. Rubble stone masonry. Random rubble stone masonry, coarse rubble stone masonry. Random rubble stone masonry. Masonry without coarse boundary wall. Wastage of mortar is more. Task work 1 meter cube per mason per day. Coarse rubble stone masonry. Masonry courses by course. All type of wall. Task work 0.8 meter cube per mason per day. Granite, igneous rock, unstratified rock, siliceous rock. 70% to 80% silica, 20% to 30% minerals. Quartz, strength, feldspar, color and shining. Mica, split plane. Joints in stone masonry: butt joint, gravel joint, ribbed joint, bed joint. RCC, connected stone masonry. Quarrying of stone. Various methods which are involved in the extraction of stones from rock bed and collectively termed as quarrying of stone. Dressing of stone, process in which surface of stone is made fit to be used in any construction purpose. Example of igneous rock: basalt. It is rich in iron and black to brown color. Granite. It is made up of small crystals and in pink to reddish color. Dolorite. It is intermediate between granite and gabbro, and it is described as white granite. Gabbro. It is a dark color coarse granite structure. Example of sedimentary rock: sandstone, siltstone, shale, halite, selenite, limestone, coal or lignite. Example of metamorphic rocks: quartz, marble, slate, pillite, silts, gneiss, laterite. Important points: basalt, igneous rock, granular basalt, metamorphic rocks, limestone, sedimentary rocks, marble, metamorphic rocks, sandstone, sedimentary rock, quartz, metamorphic rock, mudstone, sedimentary rocks, slates, metamorphic rocks. Qualities of good building stone: crushing strength more than 100 Newton per mm square, appearance high, durability high, hardness 14 to 70%, wear and tear is more than less than 3%, resistant to fire, specific gravity more than 2.7, water absorption not more than 5%, toughness index more than 13 to 19. Parent rock: metamorphic rock, granite, gneiss, sienite, gneiss, sandstone, quartz, limestone, marble, schist, marble, shale, slate, mudstone, slate, dolomite, marble, dolorite and basalt, schist, felicite, schist, slate, conglomerate, gneiss. Use of stone: it is used in structure and pavements. Used as in blast for railway. Used as a basic material. Used in blast furnace. Crushing strength 10 to 12.5 mm W1. Sample aggregate: granular loading hammer, rate 4 ton per minute, time 10 मिनट, टोटल लोड 40 टन। लोडिंग के बाद एग्रीगेट को 2.36 mm की स्टैंडर्ड सीप से सीप कर लेते हैं तथा पास होने वाले एग्रीगेट का भार नोट कर लेते हैं। एग्रीगेट कंप्रेसिव वैल्यू W2/W1 into 100. Result for base course: aggregate compressive value less than equal to more than equal to 45, less than equal to 45%. For wearing course, aggregate compressive value is less than equal to 30%.